Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can set the backdrop of Solitaire from your phone's gallery picture. So let's get started. First of all, open the Solitaire app on your device. Next, tap on menu. Here, select themes and then tap on the plus photo album icon beside the backdrop. Now choose a picture from a gallery, and that's it. This is how you can save the backdrop from the picture of your photo album on Solitaire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.